100 English words that start with Q. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Quick question, Myra.
Hmm,
Are you ready for the letter Q?
quite ready. And I know our listeners are too.
Today we'll learn 100 English words, all beginning with the letter Q,
Quiet your mind.
and focus your voice.
Let's begin. Just listen.
And repeat after us.
Listen and repeat. Quack,
Quack,
quad,
quad,
Quadrant.
quadrant,
Quail.
quail,
Quaint.
quaint,
Qualification.
qualification,
Qualify.
qualify,
Quality.
quality,
Quantity.
quantity,
Quarrel.
quarrel. That's a quality start.
Let's continue. Quarter.
Quarter,
Quartz.
quartz,
Queen.
queen,
Query.
query,
Question.
question,
Q.
cue,
Quick.
quick,
Quickly.
quickly,
Quiet.
quiet,
Quilt.
quilt.
Doing great.
Let's learn more.
Quit.
Quit,
Quite.
quite,
Quiz.
quiz,
Quotation.
quotation,
Quote.
quote,
Quirk.
quirk,
Quirky.
quirky,
Quiver.
quiver,
Quench.
quench,
Quota.
quota. Halfway there.
Say them with us. Quorum.
Quorum,
Quarry.
quarry,
Quackery.
quackery,
Qualified.
qualify,
Quantify.
quantify,
Quaking.
quaking,
Quickness.
quickness,
Quenchable.
quenchable,
Quest.
quest,
Questionable.
questionable.
Doing amazing so far.
Let's finish strong.
Quietness.
Quietness,
Quizzical.
quizzical,
Qualitative.
qualitative,
Quantitative.
quantitative,
Quadrangle.
quadrangle,
Quarterly.
quarterly,
Quasi.
quasi,
Quixotic.
quixotic,
Quintessential.
quintessential,
Quinoa.
quinoa. And that's it. 100 Q words learned today.
You were quick and clever.
Say these words again.
Practice every day.
And let your English shine bright.
Subscribe to English Podcast.
For fun and focused lessons like this,
Keep learning.
we're right here with you.